Okay guys, so now we'll actually start with a few numerical problems based on distance and displacement. After solving these two problems, I'm going to send you an assignment, okay? And I want you to solve this assignment so that मुझे ये समझ में आए कि आप लोगों को आज का concept अच्छे से समझ में आया है या नहीं आया है. In case you have any doubts, then I want you to call me up also, okay? Or probably discuss it with me, okay? Okay guys, so the first numerical that we are going to solve right now is that if a jogger jogs along one length and one breadth of a rectangular path, okay, and if the length of this path is 150 meter and if the breadth of this path is 120 meters, then calculate the distance and the displacement. So guys, there is a jogger, okay, who jogs on this rectangular path, okay, and in this rectangular path also he jogs for one length, that is from A to B, and one breadth, that is from B to C, okay. So now the questioner wants to know that what is the distance he travels and what is his displacement, okay. So guys, the distance that he travels is actually equal to the length of the path that he travels. So that means that A to B plus B to C is equals to the length of path he travels, okay. So I can write that distance is equals to A to B or AB plus BC, okay. Guys, AB is equals to how much? One length is equals to 150 meters and one breadth is equal to, or BC is equals to 120 meters. So guys, the distance is equals to 270 meters, okay guys. So distance is equals to 270 meters, okay. So we have solved the first part of the question, that the distance is equals to 270 meter. Now displacement. In order to calculate the displacement, I need to draw a line between the final position and the initial position. Guys, let us say that the jogger started from point A, okay, and then he moved to B and then to C. So the initial position is A and the final position is C. What is the shortest distance between A and C? The shortest distance between A and C is, let's connect this line. So actually it is the diagonal of this rectangle. So actually it is the diagonal of this rectangle. Okay guys, so over here I also see another thing. मैं एक और चीज observe करती हूँ that अगर मैं इस चीज को ignore कर दूँ, अगर मैं इस part को ignore कर दूँ, तो ABC जो है ये एक triangle बना रहा है. ABC जो है ये एक triangle बना रहा है. So let me just erase this part for you for simplicity. So ABC is a right-handed, right-angled triangle. ABC is a right-angled triangle, okay? And here AC, since the line AC is right opposite to 90-degree angle, so this is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. So actually I want to find the hypotenuse when I want to calculate the displacement. So the displacement is equals to AC, or it is equals to the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle ABC. Okay. So guys, I'm just going to erase this part and solve this question for you. So displacement is equals to AC, or it is equals to the hypotenuse, okay. So the formula for hypotenuse is, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem over here. Pythagoras theorem. So what does the Pythagoras theorem says? It says that the hypotenuse square is equals to P square, or the perpendicular square, plus base square, okay. Over here we know the hypotenuse is AC, okay. So AC square is equals to perpendicular square, which means BC square, plus the base square, which is the AB square, okay guys. So now replacing all these values, I get AC square is equals to BC square, which means 120 whole square plus AB square, which is 150 whole square. Guys, if I Find out the squares of these. So 120 whole square is equals to 14400 and 150 whole square is equals to 22500. Okay, so this is equals to AC square. But guys, मुझे AC square नहीं पता करना है, मुझे तो पता करना है AC, because I want to find the displacement. Okay, so displacement is equals to AC, so I need to find AC. So now what am I going to do? So see, I am going to erase this part. Okay guys, so AC is equals to under root. So what I am going to do is, for this particular line, AC square is equals to 14400 plus 22500. Okay, I am going to take under root of both the sides. Taking the under root of both the sides, I get under root AC square is equals to under root of this quantity. Okay, so under root of AC square is equals to AC. So AC is equals to what? Under root of 14400 plus 22500. Okay guys, and this turns out to be 36900. Okay, if I add these two quantity, it turns out to be 36900. Okay, so now let's take out LCM of this. So if I want to take LCM of this, so let me write 36900 over here. Okay, so I am first off going to divide it by 3. I can see that this quantity seems to be divisible by 3. Okay, so 3, so this becomes 12300. Then again I divide it by 3. Okay, so I get 4100. Then let's say I divide this by 10, so I get 410. Then again if I divide it by 10, so I get 41. Okay, 41 is not divisible by any other number, so I am going to leave it over here. So I can write all these factors over here. So I am going to write 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 41 over here. Okay, 3 into 3, that means 3 जो है वो बाहर निकल आएगा अंडर रूट से. Under root 3 comes out, or 3 comes out. Okay, then 10 into 10, 10 also comes out of the under root sign. Okay, 3 into 10 comes out, 41 stays inside. Okay, under root 41. 3 into 10 is equals to 30 under root 41. So guys, AC is equals to 30 under root 41, and this is nothing but equal to the displacement. This is nothing but equal to the displacement. So guys, displacement is equals to 30 under root 41. So displacement is equals to 30 under root 41 meters. Guys, you have to specify the unit, okay, always. Otherwise, the examiner is going to cut your marks, okay. So the distance was equals to 270 meters. And the displacement is equals to 30 under root 41 meters, guys. Okay, and distance कैसे पता लगा? Distance हमें पता लगा by finding out the exact length of the path, which was equals to the length plus the breadth, 150 plus 120, which was equals to 270 meters. And the displacement was the shortest distance between the final and the initial point, which was actually the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse के लिए हमने formula लगाया, hypotenuse square is equals to p square plus b square. Okay, so AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. Now after replacing the values over here, we get AC square is equals to 14400 plus 22500. Okay, then I took under root of both the sides, so I got AC is equals to under root of this quantity. When I add these two, I get 36900. Okay, after I take the LCM of this one, I find that AC is equals to 30 under root 41 meters. Okay guys, so this is how मैंने displacement जो है वो भी calculate कर लिया. Answers को हमेशा blocks में डालेंगे, ठीक है, हमेशा उसकी units लिखेंगे, ठीक है. आगे बढ़ते हैं guys, एक और question solve करेंगे अब हम लोग. Question number 2. आप अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन जो है सॉल्व करना है, इनफैक्ट आपको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व ही करना है, ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू पॉज दिस वीडियो, ओके, एंड नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड गाइस. Just a second, guys. Okay. So, let me once again resume the numericals, okay? So please note down this numerical. This is a very, very important numerical. Along with this, I am going to send you some more numericals also, okay? Example 2. So the example 2 says that if a body moves in a circular path, so if a body is, let's say, moving from this point along a circular path, okay? And let us say the radius of the circular path, is 20 centimeter. And the radius of this path is 20 centimeter, okay? So it is moving from A, okay? It starts moving from A. It completes one round, it completes two round, and it completes another half round and comes to this point B, okay? So if the question says that a body moves in a circular path of radius 20 centimeters, okay? If it completes 2.5 revolution along the circular path, that means 1 complete revolution, 2 complete revolution, and half a revolution, and it comes to this point B, okay? So, what is the distance and what is the displacement of the body? So, we need to find the distance and the displacement. Okay? What is given to us? That radius is equals to 20 centimeter. Guys, so now we are going to find the distance. Distance is equal to the length of the path that is taken. So, distance is equals to the length of the path. Okay? So guys, when I travel one entire circle or along the periphery of